Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Someday Farm in Killingworth, Connecticut with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Welcome. Today's tip is to invite you to practice in public spaces. Here I am at the town hall in my town of Killingworth, Connecticut. That's going to be a public space in your town, somewhere on the town hall property. The idea is to let the art be seen. Let the art be normalized. And invite you to use a variety of public spaces. This is a local open space project called Parmalee Farm, also here in Killingworth. Practice at town hall. Practice in the public open space. Practice perhaps at the state park. Here I'm at Chatfield Hollow in Killingworth, Connecticut. When you might have a land trust place or a national monument or national forest, perhaps you can find the traffic circle in the center of town to practice in. An open space, perhaps imperfect, but suitable, functional. So practice in public spaces. Let this art be seen, normalized. Enjoy. Thank you. Pointing your smartphone's camera at these QR codes will lead you to places where you can help. Thank you, thank you, thank you.